Welcome to Statistics 2332. My name is Dr. Monica Dorini, and I will be your professor this semester.
All right, so a little bit about this course. This course is one of your basic, most foundational statistics courses. It is calculus based, so you do need to have already taken a calculus course. Some of the topics and themes that we'll be covering in this course, we'll look at data analysis. We're going to look at experimental design. We're going to plan and conduct studies. And then we're going to look at some random phenomena using probability and simulation. And then we're going to, at the last or the end part of this course, we'll look at statistical inference. All right, so a couple things I just wanted to point out to you guys. It's very important that if you want to reach me and you want a quick response, you email me at my regular Kennesaw State email. That's mdorini@kennesaw.edu. Please do not use D2L. All right, if you use D2L, the response time is increased significantly because I do not check D2L that often. So I need you guys to please, please, please use my regular email if you want a quick response from me. Also keep in mind, I do not have any set office hours. Again, this is an online course, and because of that, there's no set office hours. Matter of fact, they don't even give me an office. So just make sure that you guys understand there's no office hours. So if you have any questions or concerns, please send it to me via email. Try to be specific so I can reach back out to you and answer your specific questions or concerns. Now, if you really feel like you do need to speak to me, I will set up by appointment only virtual office hours where we would connect through either Zoom or Teams.
All right, all of your assignments are on ALEKS. ALEKS is an online platform where you'll do all of your work, all of your tests, and even your final exam. You guys need to purchase ALEKS as soon as possible. You can do so with Day One Access that's located on D2L. All the instructions for accessing ALEKS are on D2L and the announcements in that original welcome announcement. When you register for ALEKS, make sure you use the name that you registered with at KSU. So your accurate first name and your last name. Please don't use nicknames or shortened names or new names. Just use the name that you registered with. All of your modules and your lessons and videos are on D2L. There's also video lessons that are on YouTube, but they are linked also in D2L. Make sure you guys are always checking D2L for updates, additional assignments, notes, and anything else that's going on in the class. It will always be posted on D2L. All right, so just a couple things to remember. I do not accept any late work for any reason. I do this to be fair to all students so that everyone has the same opportunities. We all have things that happen in our lives, but we have to make sure we stay on top of our work. Also, all of your work is open already on ALEKS, so you should be working ahead of schedule. Don't wait until the last second. That's when you get into issues with trying to turn in stuff late. Again, I don't accept anything late because everything is already open. The only thing that you cannot take right now or not do right now is the final exam because that opens up during the final exam window in December or at the end of the semester. You have unlimited attempts on your homework, so you want to make sure that you guys are working on it diligently. There's no reason why you shouldn't get 100 on your homework. You just keep working it and working and working it until you get the questions right. Again, you have unlimited attempts, but you still have to turn it in by that due date. You have 3 attempts on every test, so again, start early so that you can utilize all attempts. And then just keep in mind that most of your tests and assignments are due on Mondays. The only time it's not is if it's like a holiday or a break. So there are a couple of things that you can do to be successful in my class. The first thing is actually go through the module in D2L. Don't just try to jump directly into ALEKS and work. Go through the module, learn the material, and then try to go to ALEKS to do your assignments. Make sure you're taking notes, highlighting, printing out stuff for each module and each lesson. Work the example problems, check your answers, make sure that you actually understand how to do the work. Watch the videos. There's several videos for each topic. Some of them are my videos, some of them are videos from the author, but either way, those videos will help you understand the material a little bit more. Again, don't wait till the last second to complete your assignments. Do a little bit each day so that you don't have a lot to do at the very end. Always try your best. Use your ebook and resources in ALEKS to help you get more information or more clarity on each topic. And then I suggest that you really do know your due dates. I would definitely add those due dates to like your phone calendar or whatever personal calendar you use so that you don't miss any of the dates.
All right, so a couple more things to remember. I'm almost done. But just remember, this is a asynchronous online course. You have no real-time interaction with me or your classmates. You are doing this course alone. You chose to sign up for an online course. You need to understand that I'm not holding lectures online or anything like that. You are to go through the modules. You are to watch the videos. You're to practice the homework. You're to look at the examples. That is all on you because that's the kind of course that you chose to take. Your learning is self-paced. You need to complete those assignments on your own time, but you have to have it in before that due date. So again, you can do it all on one day. You can do it over the stretch of a couple of days, whatever you want to do, as long as it's due by or in by that due date. And again, just remember, you are responsible for your own learning. If you're having issues, if you're struggling, if you don't understand the topic, it is on you to reach out to me. I won't know that you're struggling because I don't see you guys face to face, and we don't have any real-time interaction. So again, if you're having any struggles, any issues, reach out to me via email. Remember my regular email, mderini@kennesaw.edu. Reach out to me with any questions or concerns that you may have. One more time, there is no redo assignments. There are no redo tests. There's no makeup work. Whatever I have set up in Achieve right now, as far as like taking tests up to 5 times, late penalty, I think it's up to 10 days. That's the stuff that's set up in Achieve. Anything outside of that, I do not do. I will not give you an extension more than what I've already given the rest of the class. I think that's unfair, and I think it's an ethical issue. So I don't give, special provisions to specific students. Just be mindful of that. You can ask me if you want, but just know that my answer is going to be no. There is no redo test, assignments, no makeup work, no extensions. Also, just keep in mind, I get it at the end of every semester. I get, hey, do you bump grades? What if I have an 89.2? I do not bump grades. Whatever your grade is at the end of the semester, that is what it is. And I do not give extra credit. Occasionally, I will post an additional test or something like that, or I'll give some additional points. But again, that's given to the entire class. It's not given extra credit to one specific student or this student versus that student. I always try to be fair, and I want to make sure that everyone has the same opportunity to be successful. So again, I don't bump grades and I don't give extra credit. Thank you so much for watching this welcome video. I look forward to working with you this semester. Again, remember, if you have questions, concerns, you just want to talk some things out, always feel free to email me or set up an appointment if you feel like you really need one. Again, I appreciate you watching this video. Have a great semester. Look forward to working with you.